Heavenly Father, hear our quiet plea. We lay down pride at your feet. Hands open wide, hearts stripped bare. In your light, we find what's fair.
You are our refuge and our rest. In your shadow, fear is laid to rest. Take our broken, make us whole. Breathe your peace into our soul. When the path ahead grows dim and steep, your voice calls us from the deep. Not by strength, but grace we stand, held by your unfailing hand. You are our refuge and our rest. In your shadow, fear is laid to rest. Take our shattered, make us whole. Write redemption on our soul. We surrender all we are. We remember who you are. No more striving, just receive. In your mercy we believe. You are our refuge and our rest. Peace made to rest. Take our everything. Take our everything. Make us whole. Seal your promise on our soul.